Fujifilm X-T5, worth the extra money you'll spend? For the best price, click the link in the description. But for all you photography enthusiasts out there, are you still on the hunt for that perfect camera body to take your skills to the next level? Therefore, I'm about to reveal whether the Fujifilm X-T5 is worth breaking the bank for. One thing's for sure, this camera has been generating quite a buzz in the photography community with its impressive specs and features. But here's what surprised me when I finally got my hands on it. The Fujifilm X-T5 isn't just another camera body, it's a powerhouse that combines exceptional image quality, speed, and durability in one sleek package. Therefore, let's dive deeper into what makes this camera stand out from the rest. First off, the X-T5 boasts an incredible 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers outstanding resolution and detail in both stills and video. But how does it perform in low-light conditions? Therefore, I was blown away by its ability to handle even the most challenging lighting situations with ease, something that's essential for capturing stunning portraits or landscapes. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of the X-T5's standout features. One of which is its incredible autofocus system, capable of tracking subjects with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Now you might be thinking, is this really worth the extra money? Therefore, let's weigh the pros against the cons. On one hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 offers exceptional image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and robust build quality that can withstand even the toughest shooting conditions. But on the other hand, it comes with a hefty price tag that might be out of reach for many photographers. Therefore, if you're looking to invest in a top-notch camera body that will last you for years to come, is the Fujifilm X-T5 worth the extra money? Let's break down its key features and see what sets it apart from other cameras on the market. One major selling point of the X-T5 is its incredible video capabilities, which allow for 4K resolution at up to 60 FPS, making it perfect for content creators and filmmakers. But how does it perform in terms of ergonomics? Therefore, I was impressed by the camera's comfortable grip and intuitive controls that make it a joy to handle for extended periods. So what makes the Fujifilm X-T5 stand out from other cameras on the market? According to Fujifilm, the X-T5 features their latest generation EXR-II processor, which provides improved processing speeds and reduced noise, making it ideal for capturing high-quality images in various lighting conditions. Therefore, I put this claim to the test by shooting a series of photos in different environments. The results were astounding. The X-T5 delivered exceptional image quality with minimal noise, even in low-light situations. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into its technical specs and see what sets it apart from other cameras on the market. The Fujifilm X-T5 boasts an impressive array of technical features, including a 1.75x crop factor, 425 phase detection autofocus points, and up to 10-bit 4:2 color output for unparalleled video quality. Therefore, I was blown away by its ability to capture even the smallest details in high-resolution images, something that's essential for any serious photographer or filmmaker. But how does it compare to other cameras on the market? The X-T5 competes directly with top-tier cameras from brands like Sony and Canon. Therefore, let's weigh its pros against those of some of its competitors. For example, the Sony Alpha A7R IV boasts similar image quality and autofocus capabilities, but lacks the Fujifilm X-T5's robust build quality and weather sealing. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can withstand even the toughest shooting conditions, the X-T5 might be worth considering. But what about its battery life? Therefore, I was impressed by the X-T5's long-lasting battery that lasts up to 530 shots per charge, more than enough for extended shoots. Therefore, after putting the Fujifilm X-T5 through its paces and weighing its pros against its cons, is it worth the extra money? In my opinion, if you're a serious photographer or filmmaker looking for exceptional image quality, speed, and durability in one camera body, the Fujifilm X-T5 is definitely worth considering. However, if budget is a concern, there are other great options available on the market that might be more suitable for your needs. Therefore, make sure to check out some of our other videos for more reviews and comparisons of top-notch cameras. For those who do decide to invest in the Fujifilm X-T5, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon.